figured I'd get a retake of this thing. 1 year later, the fucker's still original. Filmed this on 4th of July of 2020. And surprise to surprises, it's original still. And they made the lighting a little better, so I can actually see, you can actually see shit in the video. Look at that. Man! What a good start to the summer. Third original Westinghouse today. Now that's something. And it sits on peak while it's not in use. Door open button was replaced and that's it. Look at this. That's sick. Whoa! I love this thing. Black AE. You don't see. Oh, we're stopping. Or we're stuck. We'll see you in a second. Huh. Guess nobody. Whoever called it gave up. Oh, that wasn't gone. Oh, apparently it's on 22. Wow, didn't know this thing was 22 floors. According to the COP, it's only 8, but hey, looks can be deceiving. Its traction capacity is 2,000 pounds.
Lori Lightfoot is the mayor.
If you didn't know. Not really having to do with the elevator, but it's a factoid. Check this out. It's the old elevator. Whoo!